guys, my name is Jasmine and I'm with Monterey County Libraries, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a mango sorbet out of 3 ingredients. So what you're going to need is ripe mangoes, some limes for the juice, and then we're going to use some honey, and then we're also going to need a blender to blend this all up. Now the first step you're going to want to do is make sure your mangoes are ripe. They should be a little soft. Then we're going to go ahead and cut these up into little pieces so we can blend them up, make it easier, and then we're going to throw them in the freezer so they can get all soft, and then we can juice our limes in the meantime. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll update you. All right, so in here I have my mango, and then I went ahead and squeezed the limes in there, and then now we're gonna add the honey. We're gonna start off with around 2 tablespoons, and then you can just go on from there. It all depends, just because some mangoes are sweeter when they're riper, and then others aren't. So we're gonna go ahead and add the honey in. And then we'll give it a good blend up. All right. Go ahead and see how that is. We'll just put our lid on. See if we have enough liquid in there. I'll go ahead and blend this up and we'll see how we're going. All right, now that we've got it to a consistent blend where it's able to blend freely on its own, I went ahead and added just a little bit of water to help it along, but just a little bit. And I went ahead and added another 2 tablespoons of honey just because my mangoes were a little bit sour. So we're going to try it now, see how it tastes. Tastes great. Just going to give it a couple more blends. And then we're going to go ahead and find a container to put this in. Now, because we're going to be putting this back into the freezer to set, you can eat it right now, it's soft serve. But I want to put it back in the fridge to set. You're gonna want to find a fridge safe container. I like to use like Tupperware or even a metal loaf pan, so you can scoop it out like ice cream. I like that, so it's a little fancy. But I'll go ahead and show you what I use, and let's go ahead and put this in the freezer. All right, so I went ahead and picked out my container. I picked something a little bit thicker that can survive in the freezer and being scooped out. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put it in the container, and then we're gonna throw it in the freezer just so it gets a little bit more firm. Beautiful. This will probably take around 2 hours to set up. Again, you can't eat it like this. It'll just be a little bit softer. Mine's a little bit softer just because I left it out a little longer. But we're gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer, and then I'll go ahead and show you the finished product once it's all done. And here is our finished product of the mango sorbet. If it's too hard in the freezer, you can go ahead and leave it out on the counter for around 10 minutes and it should soften up so it can be scoopable. You can go ahead and serve this in a bowl with your favorite toppings like fresh fruit, or you can even add some tahini in there, make it a little spicy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know if you try this.